Hello everyone, Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, and we specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. So in the news this week, facial recognition has gone to the birds. Next year, bird feeders will have facial recognition built in to identify bird species. Right now, it's 92% accurate. A researcher stumbled across a public repository containing a leaked source code of more than 50 companies, including Microsoft, Adobe, AMD, Qualcomm, Meditech, GE Appliance, Nintendo, and Disney. A public repository of leaked codes includes big names like Microsoft, Adobe, Lenovo, AMD, Qualcomm, Motorola, Meditech, GE Appliances, Nintendo, Roblox, Disney, Johnson Controls, and the list keeps going and going. Another in the news article, more than 1,000 Twitter employees and contractors had access to user account settings, making user accounts susceptible to hack, reports Reuters. It was this system that hackers abused to break into accounts belonging to the likes of presumptive U.S. President candidate Joe Biden, former U.S. President Barack Obama, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Kanye West, and scores of others, as well as Twitter's accounts owned by firms such as Apple, Coinbase, and Uber. Even if these 1,000 plus people didn't abuse it themselves, they are and were potential targets for social engineering attacks by hackers eager to exploit this access. If you have further questions, please reach out to us. Stay safe and have a great day.